Hi guys, it's the moment. I'm so excited. My first ever package from Babyland. I've been waiting, seems like forever. So I hope they're all okay in here. I think they're all in here. I ordered 4. I look a fright. I'm off today. I'm waiting for the UPS driver. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see these babies. I have so many Cabbage Patch Kids softies, especially, you know, I have the vintage softies and a lot of Kamikos, and I've been collecting a lot more lately since I got back into it. And this is my first ever order from Babyland, and it's like a dream of mine to go to Babyland. I'm like a big kid, 44-year-old big kid. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to look at them. I think they're all in here, and they went through bath camp. Oh my gosh. They're so big. Oh my gosh, they're so big. Oh my goodness, guys. All right, here's the first one. All right, this is Skylar Lily. So I had freckles and dimples added. I have a dimple in my chin. So, and I have dimples on my cheeks too, but the dimple in the chin is like known in the family. So my babies, I wanted them to match. Oh, she has little earrings too, the gold balls. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that face, guys. Look at that face. Okay. That's baby number 1. All right. Let's check out the second one. I can't believe how big they are. I can't believe how big they look. Genesis Lynette. This is the blonde girl. All right. Oh my gosh, and again, the dimples that I had added and the freckles. Oh my gosh, could she be any cuter? Could she be? And little pearl earrings they added for me. Genesis Lynette. Hello, cutie. You sit by your sister. Trying to not get mommy in the video because they look horrible today. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. I want you guys to see them. Hold on. All right, hold on. Look at how cute they are. I can't get them both in there for you guys, but maybe if I move it over. While I continue to talk and open. All right, the next one. This was originally my favorite one. Personally, if I was going to choose one, it was going to be this little girl. I just loved the big, bushy ponytails. Ah, her shoe fell off. She is the cutest little thing. This is Clear Lila. And also had the dimples and the freckles added. Look at those pretty green eyes. She also has the gold ball earrings, looking very, very beautiful. There. I'm gonna sit you right here, little girl. Okay. Okay, cuties. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. There's one more. There's one more kid. And she's wrapped differently. She was the one that Nurse Denise sent me the picture of. She was not posted on the website, this girl. And this is Olivia Danielle. And I wasn't gonna take her at first, but then I was like, she's so cute, I gotta take her. She looks like she's got like, I don't know, she was kind of face down in the box. Her face is looking a little wrinkled, like when you sleep on the sheet wrong. But I'm sure it'll be okay over time. But look at that cute little face. Oh my God, and again, the family dimples. And I don't have really freckles, so maybe I have sunspots now that I'm in my 40s, but I've never really had freckles. But I just love the babies with freckles, so I had to have them all added with dimples and freckles. So cute. And that's Olivia Danielle, and I love the name Olivia. For a Cabbage Patch Kid when I was a kid, and I wanted my first Cabbage Patch Kid, and I didn't get her until after Christmas, but my friend got hers for Christmas, and it was a redhead like the one I ended up getting. They looked almost the same with a pacifier, 2 braids. And my friend's Cabbage Patch Kid doll was named Olivia. So I love the name Olivia for her. When I saw her name was Olivia too, I'm like, I need her in my life. So those are the babies. And now I'm gonna look at the paperwork and remind myself of how much that cost, but it was worth it. They look crazy. But anyway, look at these beautiful babies, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at them again. I am so happy. So excited. Makes you feel like a kid again. It sparks joy. Have a great day, guys.